Hello viewer. This tutorial helps to changing a local user account password from an administrator account in Windows 10. In search bar, type Control Panel. Select Category View. Click User Accounts. Click User Accounts. Click Manager another account. One administrator account. Another one is local user account. Select local user account. Click Change the password. Type password. Click Change password. The local user password is successfully changed. Thanks for watching. This video was helpful. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.